Hello, and welcome. I am Edwin, the digital avatar for Paraban's electronic evidence examiner platform. I will be your guide as we explore the powerful and intuitive functions of E3. This video will demonstrate how to analyze a sample file image using the E3 trial version. Begin by downloading and activating the E3 trial version. Begin by downloading and activating the E3 trial version. You can explore the program features and options using the sample files downloaded from the Paraban website. Go to the paraban.com/DFIR Tools page and download one of the sample files. For example, the computer image file. Once the file is downloaded, start your E3 trial version. This version allows you to utilize all the features and options of the E3 Universal package. E3 Universal is the most robust of all the E3 versions. Begin by adding the downloaded file as new evidence. To do this, click Add Evidence on the Evidence tab and select the evidence type. And then use the Auto Detect option. Navigate to the downloaded file and click Open. Enter an evidence name if required, and click OK. The E3 case will be created automatically, and the added evidence will appear in the Case Content pane. You can explore the evidence structure both in the tree view to the left, and in the data view pane to the right. If the evidence contains data of other types, also referred to as embedded evidence, E3 allows you to parse this data for further investigation. For example, open the JSMI 752 folder. You will notice it contains a Skype database, which E3 will offer to mount automatically. The root folder includes the PSD and EDB databases, the SQLite database with Firefox history, and so on. To view the contents, just double-click the evidence and it will be automatically parsed. The root folder also contains a zip archive with photos. Click one of the photos to view it in the File or Thumbnails viewer. To view the photo's properties, switch to the Properties viewer. Pay attention for photos with EXIF information available. For further investigation, you can export data in an encrypted forensic container. To do this, you will need to create a new container. On the Tools tab, click Create Forensic Container. Set the location for your new container, create a password, and click OK. Once the forensic container is created, right-click on the data to be saved and click Export. In the window, select Export to Forensic Container. Specify the path to the container, enter the password, and click Export. The data will be forensically exported and can be examined via E3 in the future. Now let's explore the powerful content analysis functions of E3. Right-click the evidence and select Content Analysis. The Content Analysis wizard will appear. From here you can select the options for sorting data, indexing keywords, extracting and indexing text from graphic files, and much more, and then launch the content analysis process. Once the analysis is complete, go to the Sorted Files pane. Here you will find many different files grouped by category. Select a file for viewing or bookmarking. Another powerful analysis function is the Advanced Search. This function allows you to perform searches in different evidence types using a variety of different parameters. In the Open Search pane, enter a search expression. You can also use the Boolean search if needed. Go to the Search Area tab and select Embedded Evidence subject to the recursive search. The File System Data tab allows defining specific parameters for file system evidence, as well as archives. For example, file attributes, and areas of search. Additionally, search parameters specific to certain data types are available on corresponding tabs. Once all parameters are defined, click Start. When the search process finishes, the results will be displayed in the Search Results area. Expand one of the search result hits and click Go to Source. The search result will be opened in the Data View pane. Depending on the source type, the result can also be displayed in special viewers. For example, a chat database will appear in the RTF viewer and an email database will appear in the email viewer. The final stage of work with evidence is generating a report. To include the required data for your report, select the checkbox next to it. In this example, I will show you how to generate the HTML investigative report, which is applicable to all types of evidence. On the Reports tab, click Generate Report. Select HTML Investigative Report, and proceed to the Investigator's Information page. Fill in the required information. The number of choices available in the wizard depends on types of evidence in the case. Move between pages selecting the data you wish to include in the report. The Reports wizard also has several other report options. Once everything is defined, click Finish. When the report is generated, it can be opened in any browser. This example report contains all information about the evidence in the case, as well as thumbnails of detected images.